Welcome back to the Autoland where innovation meets the road. If you're passionate about next-gen mobility, sleek design, and unique travel solutions, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a camper that's not just futuristic, it's a beautiful blend of past and future. A camper that captures the soul of the 70s with the technology of 2026. Buckle up as we explore the all-new Futuristic Retro Camper 2026. At first glance, you'll think it's been pulled straight out of a classic road trip movie, but once you step inside, it's a completely different world. The design may tip its hat to vintage campers, with its rounded edges, bold color panels, and chrome accents, but the interior is something you've never seen before. Imagine the coziness of a retro trailer reimagined with smart tech, ambient lighting, and materials that make comfort and efficiency top priorities. The moment you step through the automatic sliding door, you're welcomed by an open-plan layout that feels more like a high-end tiny home than a typical RV. Soft-touch surfaces meet warm wood accents, and the floors are done in a natural bamboo finish that gives a clean, eco-friendly vibe. Overhead, a skylight runs the length of the ceiling, dimmable and solar-powered, giving you an open view of the stars at night or gentle daylight during the day. What makes this camper truly unique is the way it adapts to your lifestyle. The main living space isn't just a sofa and a table. It's a modular system. The seating wraps around in a classic diner booth style but converts automatically at the push of a button into a recliner setup for movie nights or a full bed configuration for restful sleep. And we're not talking about foam cushions on plywood. The cushions are memory foam with integrated cooling and heating zones, making them perfect for any weather. Integrated into the wall is a 32-inch fold-out OLED display, seamlessly hidden when not in use. It connects directly to satellite internet, supports smart streaming, and even acts as a control hub for the camper's smart system. That includes lighting, temperature, entertainment, and even water levels. Voice control is built-in, but there's also a clean touchscreen panel mounted next to the entryway. The kitchen is compact but beautifully functional. All appliances are energy efficient and run on a hybrid solar lithium battery system. The induction cooktop retracts into the counter when not in use. There's a smart mini fridge that automatically manages energy consumption and sends alerts if supplies are low. The sink is deep, with a fold-away faucet and a built-in water filtration system that purifies on the go. Even the cabinets are smart, they light up when opened, and the drawers are soft close with automatic locks that engage while driving across from the kitchen. A sliding panel reveals the bathroom, something rarely this elegant in such a compact form. The walls are high-gloss composite that resists moisture and odors. A fog-free mirror doubles as a smart display. The shower uses a mist system that conserves water while still feeling luxurious, and there's even a heated floor panel beneath your feet. But one of the standout features of the Futuristic Retro Camper 2026 is the hidden workspace. Tucked into a compartment behind the main seating area is a fully functional office pod. When deployed, it reveals a sit-stand desk with a built-in monitor, ambient lighting, and noise-canceling wall panels. Perfect for remote workers or digital nomads who want to take their office on the road without compromise. The lighting inside this camper deserves its own spotlight. Soft LED strips run along the baseboards and ceiling edges, fully customizable by color and intensity. You can set moods: cozy, focus, romantic, or night light, depending on your need. Everything works in sync with your voice or via your smartphone, even when you're outside the vehicle. Storage is generous and well-planned. From hidden compartments under the seats to overhead lockers with hydraulic hinges, everything has its place. There's even a climate-controlled cabinet, designed specifically for electronics and camera gear, a nod to the growing community of travel content creators. Even sound hasn't been forgotten. The camper features a 360-degree surround sound system integrated subtly into the walls and ceiling. Whether you're watching a movie, playing music, or joining a Zoom call, audio is crisp, immersive, and adjustable per zone within the vehicle. The camper is fully insulated for all-season travel, and the climate control system is whisper quiet. It uses recycled air and active ventilation to keep the air fresh and balanced, especially useful during longer stays in nature. At night, the camper becomes a cozy haven. With the push of a button, blackout blinds descend from every window, creating a quiet, peaceful cocoon. Whether you're parked at a remote forest edge or in a bustling campground, the camper adjusts to give you the ideal sleep environment. And while today we've focused entirely on the interior, just know that every inch of this vehicle has been engineered for the future. Whether you're a solo traveler, a remote worker, or a couple chasing sunsets, the Futuristic Retro Camper 2026 is more than just transportation, it's a lifestyle on wheels. Thanks for sticking with us through this tour of one of the most exciting camper designs we've seen in a long time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a journey into the future of travel. Let us know in the comments, what's your favorite feature of this camper? Would you take it cross-country or off-grid? Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and we'll see you on the road.